Most stains can be cleaned simply by applying a cleaner such as Pledge or Windex and wiping with a soft rag. Without ever needing to use any real detergent, the dirt stains are completely gone. For method 2, simply fill a bucket with water and dish soap and use a sponge or rag to clean the dirty surface. If deeper stains in the grooves of the lumber persist, take a soft bristle brush and lightly scrub the surface. When finished, simply rinse with a garden hose. Of course, Highwood USA furniture is durable, so if that's not your style, feel free to use a pressure washer on a medium nozzle setting. It's that easy to clean and maintain your Highwood USA furniture.